There's this massive line of thunderstorms right over here that you can't really see, but over these houses and buildings over here, there's a bunch of dark clouds, and there's going to be tornadoes. Got like a bunch of EAS activations today.
Central Idaho, right around through here. Down to the south, we've had red flag warnings in effect across southern Washington, but up around Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, we did have a thunderstorm move through, especially through the South Hill earlier this afternoon, but this is what we're watching right here. This is the next band coming out of the Cascades. That is moving very slowly to the east, and I want to show you over the last 3 hours how this has been behaving. So it has been firing up as the afternoon progresses, and there it is. It's just moving so slowly to the east, but I'd say later on this evening, we're going to be talking about some showers and thunderstorms across the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene area once again. I want to show you the bigger picture real quick. You'll see the showers and thunderstorms across Washington and into Idaho, and they will be kicking in again later on this evening and into early tonight. Scattered showers, thunderstorms this evening, showers tonight, upper 50s, and then we'll do it again for tomorrow, a chance of more showers or a thunderstorm. Tell you more about this storm, plus the next 7 days coming up in just a few minutes.
A wildfire in central downpours. We've got a red flag warning that is in effect for the lower Columbia Basin. We've got the severe thunderstorm warning still in effect again through the Clearwater Mountains. So a lot of activity here kind of makes out like a patchwork quilt, and we'll continue to follow these storm systems as we head through. Again, our red flag warning actually in effect until 11 p.m. tonight. We do have breezy conditions in different places out here. Moses Lake right now you see at about 16 miles an hour. Our highest wind gust was 26 miles to the north and to the east. It's moving at about 5 miles an hour, and we're seeing some impressive lightning along with this. In fact, this box that you see located down here in the corner of your screen, that actually counts our lightning strikes as we move on through. So again, this has been the major player, again, moving to the north and to the east. It is a slow-moving system. What we are seeing with this system, and if you live in this area, you know we're seeing winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Also, the potential for quarter-size hail, bursts of rain, so heavy downbursts. We've got a flash flood warning that is now in effect, and we'll keep you updated on that. Also, as we head over into the Blue Mountains of Oregon, the system now pushing through over
that college. We guys have major storms around here. Emergency alert has been activated. I got the last second of it. I'm so stupid. Thank you. Got that one? Oh, wow. Speaking
of kite, this is the long spot we talked about here. And some 32 from just about 90 feet. Never practiced. Very rare to find putting greens big enough to practice west of this lake. Began the day 3 behind the 36-hole leader Langer, and he did not take long to get it going after a par at the first. This was his third at the par 5 second for the run. Last one playing away from the hole location that was over close to the water. So players will quickly have a chance to move it to the numbers. This part of the game that has just been so solid, so relaxed.
ticker again, so I got it.
Why didn't you say so in the first place? We gotta help him.
The beach is that way?
We're not going to the beach. You think I'm gonna go face to face with a crab-eating bird? In case the name of the armored cephalothorax didn't clue you in, I'm a crab.
I got the last. Really see the storm now, but it's over there. It's over there 5 minutes ago. Look at the car. You're gay.
Flashes?
Oh, I've seen a couple. There's a pretty big thunder too.
It's going to get a little bit bigger.
Yeah. That one down there is still coming this way too. Then somehow a bunch of the broken stuff formed up with your park. Smell the rain. I saw lightning right there. I'm here, but I'm not seeing any lightning.